That's it? Only like 1 second? I just switched to video mode and you stood up already.
It's hard to remember when our kids were that small.
On the move. It's on the move.
Right.
Which are all the best ones.
Right. Well, I think they were even involved with the part with the Cleveland. Because that's where he thought he might go next.
Well, and I think Parker Cameron was like, usually like $10 an hour.
Yeah.
And then they Toro, Mr. Toro, hey.
Turtles? Uh-huh.
Toro.
Toto. Toto. Toto.
Ray.
I'm gonna stand on it.
Where are you stand right here?
Over here, yeah, you can see it. Go.
Whoa, look at his face.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Go, look.
Nice, huh, Tifa? Very nice. Wow, look at the birds. Look at the birds. Okay, you ready? Let's explore. Oh, look at the bluegill. So yummy. Look at the bluegill, Tiff. It's so yummy. Yeah, that's a bluegill. Go on. That's a fish. That's a fish. Aha, that's a good fish to eat. That's a good fish to eat.
No, you cannot touch. You can eat your finger. Okay. No, mommy cannot put finger inside.
No, we cannot do that.
Face.
That would not be good.
Blue ear.
Oh,
Blue ear.
puppy. Puppy, huh, Tiff?
Hi, puppy.
Hey, puppy. I can't believe they allow dog in here. What if they pee? You know? What if they pee? Okay, here we go.
This state.
We're headed east tomorrow to Chardon, and so there's, a lot of participants up there. So we're gonna do something there.
Yeah, we went to Lake
Picture with the leaf before the
In fact, I have a hiking club I'd want to at work.
can't take none.
We're going down to Akron.
Okay, let's go.
Summit Valley or
Or
something.
some of them.